Hi and welcome to our trailer training video where today we're going to look at the S-reverse. This is the manoeuvre you'll be asked to do on the car and trailer test, where you'll be asked to reverse your vehicle into the bay as shown here. Okay, so let's have a look at that on paper. So I'm just going to draw the cones, and this is how it will be set up when you do your test at the test centre. That's it. So I'm just drawing the bay there. This is the bay that you're going to finish in, and you're going to start at point A at that cone. You're going to reverse around cone B into the bay shown as C. So let's draw our tow vehicle or car. So let's put a C on that. So that's for car and T for trailer, and that's our starting position. We now need to steer to the right. Our vehicle will go to the right, but that will tilt our trailer over to the left in the direction we want it to go. And we want to get that around about a 40 to 45 degree angle going in that direction there. And then we're going to straighten up to go in a straight line so we can go round point B. Okay, so now we're going to steer our wheels over to the left, and that will mean our vehicle will turn to the left, but the trailer will start to go to the right towards point C. And we'll be able to see the cone in point C in our right door mirror, and we can just stay nice and close to that. And we want to keep a slight angle on the trailer there just to keep that going in towards point C nice and snug. Then once the trailer's in the bay, we're going to straighten up the tow vehicle nice and straight and head back to the back of the bay where we want to finish the manoeuvre. There's a hard barrier at the back of the bay. We don't want to touch that. And then there's a marked area which we want our trailer, the rear of the trailer, to finish just within the marked area, just as shown here. The bay itself is exactly one length of our tow vehicle and trailer combined. From point C to B is another car vehicle length. So that's the whole vehicle length. And from B to A is 2 vehicle lengths. So the overall course is 4 vehicle lengths. Okay, so back to the practice area where our trainee here is going to start the manoeuvre. He's starting to steer to the right, and you can see that's putting a tilt on the trailer going round at the angle we want towards point B. And now he's going to straighten the vehicle up in a nice straight line. So his wheel's going to go straight and just head back towards point B. Let's look at that again. Look at the steering. So the steering's going round to the right. That's putting the angle on the trailer. The trainee's assessing that, and when there's enough angle, he's going to steer the opposite way to straighten the vehicle. Blind spot check there would have been necessary just because the front of the vehicle is going to swing out. So we want to make sure we get that blind spot check in before we change direction of the vehicle. Straighten the wheels there, and now we're going in a nice straight line towards point B, back towards our bay at the back there. And now look at the steering. Now he's going to steer to the left, the vehicle goes round to the right, heading towards point C, keeping it nice and close. And now once that trailer's in there nice and straight, he's going to straighten up the tow vehicle. Perfect. And now he's just going to head the trailer back to the marked area at the back of the bay. Perfect. Let's look at that from the rear view. So look at the wheels turning to the right. The trailer bends to the left to about the 45 degree angle towards the cone point B. And now he's going to steer the opposite way to straighten the vehicle up and get in line with the trailer, to push the trailer back in a nice straight line. That's it. So now he's going to straighten those wheels there, and now we're perfect. Nice straight line coming back towards point B. Now heading towards point C, going to steer the opposite direction, tilt the trailer round. This point, the right door mirror is going to see the cones. You'll see the cones all through this manoeuvre. Notice how there's poles in the cones to help you judge that and guide yourself so you don't get confused with which cone you're looking at. And again here, look, he's just going to bring that trailer round into the bay. Look at the steering. Okay, so this point of view is very similar to the view you'd get in your right door mirror and how you can control the vehicle. So look, as we're steering, you can see the tilt of the trailer disappears from our view. In the left mirror, we would of course see the trailer big in that mirror. And now the cones come into view, so we can see cone B with the black and orange stripes, and in the distance point C where our bay is. So we just want to start heading towards the bay at this point. Nice straight line there. And now look, you'll see small inputs going into the steering wheel now there, just to tilt the trailer towards point C. So it's just slight steering just to get a bend on the trailer. That's it. And now he's in, he's going to steer more to get that trailer nice and straight. Perfect there, and now it's going to straighten up. Now to finish off the perfect manoeuvre, we just want to get the back of the trailer beyond the final cone but before the barrier. We don't want to touch the barrier, so we're just going to line up the end of the vehicle within the marked area. On the test this will be marked in yellow. If in doubt, you can always get out and check just to make sure your vehicle's parked in the marked area, which is between the barrier and that last cone. So here we could go just a little bit more. Don't worry if you make a mistake, you can always move forwards. During the test you're allowed to move forwards twice to correct your manoeuvre. Okay, so that's the end of our trailer training video. Hope you found it useful. If you would like to arrange any training and live in the Norwich area, we can help you. We deliver either half or full day courses. So yeah, just give us a call. I'll put the number on the screen and I hope to talk to you soon.